naman.
Sana all.
So guys, next thing is our ganache. Yung ipapalaman natin sa ating cake. And first ingredients would be the all-purpose cream. Just one of this all-purpose cream. At dahil gusto ko, medyo may pait ang aking tsokolate. Mahilig ako sa dark chocolate. I'm gonna be adding 1 instant coffee. There you go. So let's just whisk it. And after this, I will be putting this in the stove. Kasi dapat guys sa microwave, pero dahil wala akong microwave, an alternative is the stove. So, gusto ko lang ma-pour in lahat ng coffee powder. Then after this, lalagay ko siya sa kalan. Lalagyan din natin siya ng konting butter. So, ang bango niya guys, amoy coffee. So, ang gagawin ko guys, iinitin ko siya sa kalan. Pag kumulo na, parang kukulo na siya, lalagyan ko ng butter, and tatanggalin ko na siya sa kalan. After kong tanggalin sa kalan, ilalagay ko na yung 1 cup of chocolate chips. So, just a minute. Guys, mainit na yung all-purpose cream. I already put the butter. After this, I'm gonna be putting the chocolate chip here. This is 1 cup of chocolate chip. So, ayan na guys, mainit na siya. We'll just be putting this chocolate chip. Kaya lang natin siyang makover ng chocolate. Ayan. Kaya lang natin siyang sip-sipin yung all-purpose cream. Then, in just 30 seconds to 1 minute, hahaluin ko na yan later. So, we're done in the butter. Nakasalang na yung cake natin sa oven. Then, on-process na yung ganache natin. So guys, halu-haluin na natin siya. Tingnan natin. Yan. Buo-buo pa yung chocolate chips, but now, tutunaw na siya. Look at the transformation. After this, i-chill natin siya sa ref. And then, tsaka lang natin siya ilalagay sa cake natin. You can put any kind of butter. You can put unsalted butter. If you don't have an unsalted butter, you can also use this kind of butter. So, let's see. Ang ganda ng ano niya. Oh, transformation! Guys. Kasi nung unang gawa ko nito, I didn't make it right. But now, I think I successfully did it. So, there, guys. No? Guys, yung para ka nasa Starbucks, para ka nasa Jayco. Ano talaga naman, syrup.